So, I just want to share yung Hebrews 12:29. It says that our God is a consuming fire. I remember yung time na when Jesus was talking with, actually it's a typology, na nung pagkakataon na si Moses nasa wilderness, about so many years na nandun siya, the Lord talked with him through the burning bush. Ang miracle kasi doon, hindi yung mismong burning bush. Pero ang miracle doon is, kahit nasusunog yung bush, or kahit may fire yung bush, hindi siya nasunog. And hindi lang kasi ang focus natin is yung si Moses, nakausap niya ang Panginoon doon. Ang mas gusto kong bigyan ng pansin ngayon is, when there is a fire, nung time na yon, it should be consuming yung bush. Pero hindi siya na-consume. At higit sa lahat, yun yung pagkakataon na kinausap ni Lord si Moses. So through that burning bush, kinausap ni Lord si Moses. And it gave me the thought and the realization na posible na maging on fire tayo sa Panginoon, kagaya ng burning bush. Pero yung fire hindi talaga sa atin, hindi siya from us, hindi siya dahil sa efforts natin and so on and so forth. It is, kung ano man yung fire na meron tayo, it's a manifestation ng talagang consuming fire, which is on Hebrews 12:29 na si Lord yung consuming fire. So the more that God is pouring His presence sa atin, the more that we feel ourselves with the presence, with the word of the Lord, with the guidance from the Lord, mas madaling maging on fire sa Kanya. So tanong, nagiging on fire na ba tayo sa Panginoon? Kasi ganito yun eh. Kapag nagiging on fire ka sa Panginoon, posible kaya na kagaya ng burning bush, ikaw yung ginagamit ni Lord ngayon para magbigay ng message sa maraming tao. At higit sa lahat, yung fire na yon, it will just consume everything around you. So, nawa sa atin, tayo rin yung nagiging consuming fire. Not because we are the fire, we are the consuming fire, but because we are that bush that is carrying that fire. Makakonect ko rin ito doon sa Book of Matthew na sinabi, let your light so shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Kapag ikaw on fire ka, hindi naman kasi ikaw yung i-consume, kundi ikaw yung bearer ng consuming fire. At yung fire na yon, hindi po pwedeng hindi maapektuhan ng lahat. That's why, kung pakaramdam mo, mabigat ang lahat, always remind yourself that the Lord is a consuming fire. Kung yung bush nga, hindi nasunog kahit merong fire, nawa sa buhay natin, hindi rin tayo makonsume, because let us allow God to consume us because He is our consuming fire. Be on fire with the Lord, and sometimes kind of experience is what giving the message of the Lord to those people, or maaari through you, nangungusap ang Panginoon sa tao sa paligid mo. So be on fire with the Lord, because the Lord is our consuming fire. Yun lang. God bless.